Hello everyone, it's MST2474. Now, I don't know if some of you noticed, but I have got a system sensor MAS 241580A in the mail. I already unboxed it, but is that enough? No, I got some more things. There's more stuff in this box right here. Now, what could possibly be in them? More than one alarm, I can tell you right now. So, let's see what's in it. This is the best thing I can use to cut and unbox things. Ow. It looks like I need to cut that. It's a much easier setup for me. Is it worth? I need to cut this as well. Really? I have to cut this too. I'm filming. Alright. Well, looks like we got some bubble wrap. Big ones. Oh my god. Oh my god. A Simplex 4250-120. Oh, this one's having problems opening. (4251-20). And, oh my god. A Wheelock 7002T24. This one is rebranded by Spectronics. That's awesome. And, whoa. I got my first smoke detector. I have no idea what this is. A strange looking heat detector. Wow, these things are, they were connected to each other now. I wonder if I can take this off of the base. Yeah, I don't know. Or this is a smoke alarm. Well, here's the smoke detector. Strange looking heat detector. Another 4250-120. And is that it? But another 4250-120. 3 4250-120s. But the only problem is oh, it looks like these were the seller that I got these from removed these out of a building or something. And here's the big one. A Simplex. Oh, what? 4051. This one has a bit of a crack there. I didn't notice that, but yeah, I got a 4051. So, I'm going to go ahead and move this box out of the way, and I'm going to set everything down. So, here's what I got. A Simplex 4051. Wheelock 7002T, rebranded by Spectronics. 4250-120. Another 4250-120. And third 4250-120. I don't have B keys for these. And strange looking heat detector. Or bell, whatever this is. I have no idea what this is. Either it's a heat detector or bell. Probably a heat detector, maybe like one of those really old ones. And a smoke detector. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is what I got. My mask is already mounted for System Test 5. So, yeah, I got all of these. Really cool. And I'm going to test them all on my 4006.